Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mark with It's All About Racing. If you're tuned into this one, you're going to be taking a look at a 2022 Grove Racing Porsche 911 GT3 R, that which competed in the 2022 24 Hours of Spa. Folks, this is an absolutely beautiful Spark 1 in 43 scale model. It comes, as you can see, on this black base and acrylic jewel cover and a spa-themed box. You've seen those before, so I won't bother with that in this video. Guys, this is an Australian-based team founded by businessman Stephen Grove, a team that regularly competes in the Bathurst 12-hour. In fact, has 5 victories in that particular race. And many of you probably watched that race this past weekend, so I'm going to dedicate this car to that race. Now, however, for the 2022 24 Hours of Spa, the team had a driver combination of Stephen Grove, Brenton Grove, Matthew Payne, and Adrian Henry da Silva. And many of you know, if you collect Spark models, you're generally going to have the names of the drivers on the side of the base. One of the cool things that I like about Sparks. Also, if you take a really good look at this car, you're going to see this absolutely bizarre color scheme. I really don't know how to describe it. The inner part of the hood is black, and then it's got silver and gray and red accents all over the place. Really, really neat. Notice the beautiful inlaid silver grille that you have there. Absolutely gorgeous. The fog lights. The headlights are really spectacular. And guys, I'm going to show you a real close-up of one of the headlights here. Notice the green bulbs that you have inside that. Just take a good look at that. This is how exacting to detail Spark models are. Now, speaking of the headlight, I noticed if you watch the Bathurst 12 Hours, you probably saw all sorts of different colors headlights on the Porsche cars. There is actually a switch they have in the cabin where they can change the color of those bulbs. So they can, change it for blue, green, red, yellow, whatever they want. Something I thought was really, really cool and something I really like about the Porsches. And if you have a number of Porsche 911s, take a look at their headlights really closely and see if you have different colored bulbs in them. I'm sure you probably do. I'm kind of giving you a look at the radiator in there too. It's actually silver, kind of hard to see. I almost have to twist the camera this way so the light doesn't flush it out. But there's a silver radiator in there, as you would expect on all Porsche cars. Here's a cool look at the side of it, and we're going to pull out and give you a look at that livery, which is just really quite bizarre. In tribute to Bathurst and Australia, of course, you're going to have a Kangaroo on this. And those of you that watched the race this weekend probably watched Christopher Mies in that Ford Mustang hit that Kangaroo. One hell of a mess. Guys, there's a good look at the wheel detail. Probably P0 tires. You can see the slotted brake rotor, the calipers. Absolutely gorgeous work that Spark does. Also notice the panel latches, really nicely done. You've got dive planes, gorgeous carbon fiber front splitter there. Spark really doesn't leave much for imagination. Every detail is well thought out. The air vents on the side there. Look at the B panel and how they have it not decaled, but actually cut out. And then you can take a look into the cabin here. You might be able to, you can see the seat. You can see the steering wheel. You can see the tie downs on each side of the seat. Really nice job. The names of all the drivers very clearly on the top of the door panel. And you see you got a few aerials, number 16 there, the Fanatec GT Challenge banner. And again, that Kangaroo, you gotta just love him. Now guys, here's a money shot from the rear. Absolutely nicely done. You're going to notice that this is a limited edition. This is number 93 out of 300 made. One thing I learned from my trip to the Brumos collection last month was that if you order cars from Spark that you want to have manufactured, to sell in your shop or give to friends, whatever, the minimum order is $200. I'm sorry, 200 cars, excuse me. And the price is $50 per car. 200 minimum, $50 per car. And if you notice, most of the Spark models that you see, it's usually in quantities of 300 or more. So, they have to produce, I guess, a certain amount to make any money, to make, obviously they're to make a profit. That's the whole idea of the business. But anyhow, that'll give you some idea of the business side of it. There's a look. You can see Grove on the rear wing there. Really nicely done. And there's a cool look in the back of it, but they've, I don't know what that is on the windscreen. I don't know if that's maybe like a defroster or defogger. It could be. I'm not sure. I don't know how much they can actually see out of the back of that car through that window. Probably not a whole lot. Now, guys, this is the opposite side, and on the B pillar, you can again see the pull tab for the air jack there. Notice there's no Kangaroo on this side of the car, so the Kangaroo is only on the driver's side. Really cool livery. Now, there's a look into the cabin, too. You can see more details and things like that. You can see the frame, some of the safety devices, and, of course, on the windscreen, you've got that Fanatec banner. You've got the number panels, lights up. You can see the pull tabs for the tear-off sheets. Notice that the louvers over the wheel there are in carbon fiber and nicely done. They're textured. Guys, when you get a Spark, you get a first-class model. You really do. Well, folks, that's going to wrap it up. Hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.